Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm here to show you my diamond painting haul. So the first one I got was, it's called the Lotus Koi Fish. And the second one I got is the butterfly. I thought it was really pretty. And then I ordered two of the paper release, and it has directions on the box, on the back of the box. So we're going to open up the box and we're going to see what's inside, and then I'll lay it out on my bed so you can see the diamond painting. If most of you are new to the diamond painting world, I'd just like to show what comes in the kits if you're ever interested in getting a diamond art club painting. First, they give you this little sticker here, and you can put it in your inventory, or you know how you organize your logbook. And I got a logbook going, so there's that. You get this great toolkit, and their toolkits to me have improved over the years. You always get some extra baggies. You get some pretty washi tape, and that is beautiful. You get some wax, two different ones at the heart. You get a cover minder. For the pin, you get this grip. You get, let's see here, usually that's a 7, and I think this is a 3. Or this thing you can just slide right in there. So that is so pretty. Alright, you get this sticker, and it shows the start date and end date, which I will do when I get that. And then when you kit up, you can put these on your kit. And they always give you information on purchasing their diamond paintings and how to do it. And you get 20% off if you use their app first time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you real quick. These are rounds, and what I'm going to do is I never really open these, but some people like to see them. But I'm going to fast forward this part. There's only, this is not a big one, so this is only 36 colors. So let's So those are the drills. Now we're going to open up the painting so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm adjusting you here. Here is the koi fish one. The koi lotus fish. Here's the fish. Isn't that beautiful? My daughter loves anything with Japanese, anything like that, so I got this for her, my youngest, and I am going to paint this for her and frame it. So yeah, and it really sticks well. It's a very good canvas, but not a big one. I usually do, it's only like 36 colors. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. So now we're going to open the second one. Okay, so I got this one here 3 or 4 months. I mean, I've always loved butterflies, but I have like this deepened love of butterflies all of a sudden. I don't know why. So let's open up this one and see what's in this one. So here's the sticker. Isn't that beautiful? And here's your basic toolkit. Oops. plastic baggies. And look at this cover binder. Isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely gorgeous. Your basic wax, your 4-placer, and your 7-placer. Some washi tape, your grippy, and your tool, your drill. And I like how they put a stopper on that now. That's so nice. So that's your basic tool kit that you get, because every cover binder, and sometimes the pins are different colors, you get different washi tape, and you get these are so cute. So here is the chart. This one is going to be a little bit bigger. It has 51 colors on it. There's a bigger picture. These are rounds, and again it has your start and end date. And these are the colors. So I'm going to open this up, and I will fast forward through this part. The canvas on my bed so you guys can see the full picture of the painting. All right, look how beautiful this is. This one lays out differently than the others, like a maybe landscape type. And look at the shine. Get a little closer. And you lift this up. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. Very sticky. I love the Diamond Art Club. Their quality of paintings, sorry for the shadow, is absolutely gorgeous. And I absolutely love their canvases. Though I think this will be the last one, maybe. I have tons and tons of diamond paintings. So for a while, from the Diamond Art Club maybe. We'll see. That's my goal, is not to buy any more. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Depends on what else they have coming out. And they're just so beautiful. It shines so much, and the sparkles are right here. Yeah. All right, everyone, that is my Diamond Art Club haul. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you want. No big deal. Thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe.